Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to process a cash purchase using SQL accounting software. A cash purchase records transactions where goods or services are acquired and paid for immediately. Here is a scenario. You have just purchased 20 office chairs from a supplier and paid for them on the spot. Let's begin. Starting from the header field, select the supplier. The supplier details will be automatically keyed in. Next, change the date if necessary. Select an agent. Then you may enter your description here. We are going to key in purchase of 20 office chairs as an example. That's all for the header field. Moving on to the item field. Click on this plus button to insert a record. Select the item code. The item details are automatically keyed in. Then, enter the required details. Finally, head to the payment section. Select the payment method and enter the amount paid. After you've done inputting data, click on Save. And that's it. We've successfully completed a cash purchase. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.